Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use School as a beginner in 2025 and take full advantage of its features. So step 1, sign up and join a community. Go to school.com and sign up. You can either create your own group or join one using an invite link, or you can browse and join some groups. Step 2, navigate the dashboard. Once you are inside a group or community, you will see a simple layout with three main tabs: the classroom, community, and calendar. Classroom is where courses live, community is for group discussions, and calendar shows upcoming events and calls. Step 3, access courses. Click on the Classroom tab to watch structured lessons. You can track your progress, mark videos complete, and participate in comments under each module. Step 4, post and interact. Use the Community tab to post questions, updates, or share an insight. You can react with emojis, comment, and even get ranked on the leaderboard. Step 5, attend live events. In the Calendar tab, see all scheduled group calls, webinars, or coaching sessions. Sync them with your Google Calendar so you don't miss any. So, School is one of the simplest way to combine courses, community, and calendar all in one place. It is perfect for coaches, memberships, and online schools. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.